Question is, there are 4 sales executives in a company. The targets and targets achieved are below. Create a cylinder chart for the percentage target achieved as per the sample given. The sample is for the design. The data is different from what is given in the table here. So we have got the sales executives. 4 names are there. 101, 102, 103, 104. Their target in rupees lakhs is 25 lakhs each for the quarter. And how much is the target achieved is this much. So first we need to put it in the proper table format, which is required for the chart here. So copy, come to another place, paste special. We want to transpose it. Columns becomes rows and rows become columns. So they were in the different columns. They are in one column now. Target in rupees was 25 and target achieved. Now we want to find out what is the percentage target achieved. Let's bring within the alt and enter. Target achieved will be, the formula will be, this is achieved out of 0.6608. Double click here. Sorry. I do not want this to be points, etc. I want it to be in percentages. Right click, add cells, percentage, and decimals not required. Now, 66 achieved. So how much is balance? So we can call it as balance. And that is nothing but 1 minus y1, because this is 66%. So 1 is 100%. And copy down. We'll put one more column, a dummy column for the cap. And what is the cap? This is the cap. This back ones are the cap for the cylinders. And that we just use one number. 10, this is 34%. So I should not use 1. I can use, I'll make 10%. I can call it 10%. This is my data now. I have to make one chart which comprises of this column, control, then this column selected, balance column selected, cap column selected. And now with this thing selected, insert graph. Under graph, we have these 3D columns are there. But I want to select this one. Now come to bring it to a place where we can work. Select this. Format data series and choose cylinders. So instead of boxes, we are getting cylinders. Now I want to change the color of these things. It will be nice to have different colors for different cylinders. First choose, one click will select all the bottom part, blue part. Another click will select only this part. And now come to here, solid fill. Let us choose color. Select. Come to this one, let it remain blue. Come to this one, maybe red. Come here, maybe yellow. So I got 4 different colors for the bottom part. Now this one, let me have a shade of this green color here. Green, but I do not want that bright. Transparency to be reduced. Green color liquid is here. Okay, now come to this one. Shade of, with a solid fill, it was blue there. And reduce the transparency of that portion. Come here, this red, solid fill red, and transparency, I have to change it to red and reduce the transparency. Increase the transparency. Now this does not become red, so make it red. And this one, to be yellow, solid fill, yellow, and transparency increased. Okay. Now this caps can remain as it is. Now I do not want the grid lines. Grid lines will come, grid lines will go. I do not want the legend. I can put it in the heading there. Now this one has become too light. So let me change the transparency. Yeah, this is okay, I think. Now we have to put the labels. Label, add data labels, but not for all. Here it will be included all of them. No, I do not want data label only for this one. So it only the bottom part. Data label I want. Data label what middle, can be in horizontal, can be in vertical also, no problem. So I have to put the settings. So 66, 86. Now this color may not be visible properly. So let us make bolder and maybe increase the size. So that is visible now. So this person has achieved 66% of the target. 102 has achieved 66%. This is 82%. This person is 94%. This is how a cylinder chart is made. Now, let us see any other things. 3D rotation. Now, this is on the side, so you want to bring it to some other. If you send, you can play around with this one. Now, we want a cylinder which is more broader. If you want to increase the size, diameter of this cylinder, click on this one and come here. Gap width, gap depth, and gap width. If I increase the width, become narrower. Decrease the width, it becomes more and more broader cylinder. So select a side which is looking nice. We need to change the heading here as targets achieved out of 25 lakhs. Out of 25 lakhs, this person has achieved 66%, 66% here, 82%, 94%. Now to see whether it is working properly or not, suppose I change this to 10 lakhs. Changing. I'll change into 15 lakhs. Changing 82 lakhs. Let us say this is not changed. I should change this one to maybe 22 lakhs. This one, I make it 19 lakhs. So it keeps changing depending upon the values here. Because on this are calculated. Based on this, the cap is calculated. Cap remains same. Suppose you want to change the cap also to narrow, smaller cap, and then reduce it to all. All caps are reduced. Want to make cap more. So whichever looks nice, you can accordingly change it. Now this one is data label, more options. In this one, I can also put the value from cells. So value from cells. Then I say I want the values from here. So I'm going to get both 40% and 10. So I do not want that to come in one line. I want it to come in, yeah, this is the one. And I want it to come in two lines. Separator is new line. So 10 lakhs is achieved. 40 lakhs is the, 40% is the percentage. Here 15 lakhs out of 25 lakhs achieved. So it shows both value as well as the percentage. Let us try some other numbers. 8 lakhs. Let us say it is 12.5 lakhs. Let us say this is 22.20.1 lakh. There this is say 10.6 lakh. You see that the labels also changing, the percentage also changing. So visually, for anyone to understand who has done how much, the cylinder chart is a very good method of displaying the numbers. So try it out using any data or in the examination, whatever data is given to you.